Welcome to 30 Days of Learning Pacdora. In today's video, we'll explore how to design a 3D shopping bag using Pacdora. Let's dive in. First, visit the Pacdora website and select the shopping bag option. A blank shopping bag page will appear. Start by adding a background color. Then we'll add our logo, product name, and a barcode. Finally, we'll copy and paste the design onto the back side of the bag to complete the look. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting design tips and tricks.